In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an old iPhone or iPad backup from iCloud. This is a great way to free up space and ensure you're not holding on to unnecessary data. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to begin by opening the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. You can easily find the Settings icon on your home screen. It looks like a set of grey gears. Once you've opened the app, you're just a few taps away from managing your iCloud backups. Next, you'll see your name at the top of the settings menu. Go ahead and tap on your name. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. In this section, you'll scroll through a list of customizable options, but for now, our focus is the iCloud section. Tap on the iCloud option to proceed. Now that you're in the iCloud settings, look for the option labeled Manage Storage. Tapping this will allow you to view and manage what's using up your iCloud storage space. At this point, you might notice various apps and services listed showing how much storage each is using. It's a useful tool for tracking your overall usage if you're ever curious. Moving forward, within the Manage Storage settings, you'll find the Backups option. This section is dedicated to all the backups stored in your iCloud, including backups from any old devices you might have used. Tap on Backups to view a list of device backups associated with your account. Now that you're viewing the list of backups, it's time to find the old device backup you no longer need. Go through the list and select the particular backup you want to remove. Tapping on it will show you more details about that specific backup, such as the date it was created and its size, which might help you make your decision. Once you've selected the backup that you want to delete, you'll see an option to delete backup. Tap on this option. It's important to note that deleting a backup will permanently remove it from your iCloud, so make sure it's really one you no longer need or use. After you tap delete backup, you'll be asked to confirm your action. Go ahead and confirm that you indeed want to delete the backup. And that's it. You've successfully removed an old device backup from your iCloud. It's a simple process, but a very effective way to clear up space and keep your account organized. If you find yourself running out of iCloud storage in the future, you'll now know exactly where to go to free up some room. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to check out our channel for more tech tips and guides.